Hi, today I'm for the Pixel 7a and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first launch Gmail application, then tap on the right upper corner to log out from Gmail account and in the Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that, click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and confirm your action by tap to remove account. Then confirm your action once again. If you use some protect methods, just enter it, allow the pattern, or enter the passcode or PIN code. Then we could see that we just successfully logged out from the Google account. That's why let's go back to the application, and we could see also that we successfully logged out from Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.